so confident tonight. But of course, before we go on with the question, we would like to request for our question, let's have Mr. Danny Buenavista. You may pick your question. Okay. Your number is number 9. This is your final question. Number 9. What do you think is the biggest problem of our country today? How do you solve it? Again, what do you think is the biggest problem of our country today? How do you solve it?
Thank you very much, ma'am, for that very nice question. But before I want to proceed to my answer, I would like to thank everyone for supporting me tonight. And my answer goes like this. I think the biggest problem in our country facing today is awareness and leadership. Young generation nowadays are too dependent on technology and we spend more time on it. If I have to solve this problem, I will use my voice to influence the young generation and use their skills, and build unity. I believe young generation are well equipped with the knowledge. Yet, we are intellectually capacitated with skills and ability. So we should stand and be the voice of everyone. Ika nga nila ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. So we should stand and be influenced, be a leader, and be aware. As Latin words say, hagaas lungin, hagaas pusoy, syempre espiyo, reflecta iyong mañana. Or whatever you do for today should always mirror and the reflection of your tomorrow. That will be all. Thank you and good evening.
Wow, thank you so much. Candidate number 1. Hagari Shakir, Hagari Shakir. Now let's have candidate number 2. The beautiful lady in blue. Hello, candidate number 2. Hindi mo ba? I-check sa. Hi. Hindi mo gagawin siya. Hindi mo. So, kayo siya. Hello, candidate number 2. Gikulpaan ka? Has? Gikulpaan ka? Sige, ano sa? Yung ginhawa o lalo. Para di makulpaan na. Hindi ko naman kit. Okay, sige, pasalamati ang mga anak karon diri nagsuporta kanino.
Thank you and her tonight and thank you to my sponsor Allen Pancho. Thank you.
Let's request Miss Honey Rose to run over. By the way, our official photographer. Thank you so much. She's the youngest daughter of our darling Captain Vicente Durando. And your question is number 2. Number 2. Yeah, your number 2. Your question is number 2. How will you promote Barangay Buli-Bulihan to our nearby barangays, towns, and or cities? Again, how will you promote Barangay Buli-Bulihan to our nearby barangays, towns, and cities?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for beautiful question, ma'am. I will promote Barangay Buli-Bulihan by highlighting to our cultural heritage, community, and then cities. And I thank you.
Oh, thank you. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Number 3. Hello, candidate number 3. How are you feeling tonight? A little bit nervous. Okay, by the way, candidate number 3 is also one of our flag bearers of Mabinay National High School. So, i-invite yung mga kabarangay, kinangita kami ng mga flag bearers. I-invite sila o ganahan sila ng appeal. di ba? Palista na lang yung pangalan. Magpalista mo, Mamling. Okay, well, candidate number 3, before we proceed with your final question, kaya gusto may ganahan mong pasalamatan tonight.
I just want to say thank you to my family to always support me. That's all.
Okay, now let's move on to your final question. That is request Mr. Danny Benavista. Repeat your question, please. And your question is number 4. Your question goes this way. How will you encourage out of school youth to go back to school? Again, how will you encourage out of school youth to go back to school?
Good evening once again. Thank you for that very relatable question, ma'am. I do believe in a saying that the youth is the hope of our future. As a youth myself, I will encourage them by giving examples of successful professionals in our community, thus giving them inspiration to go back to school, because through education we can have a better future. Thank you.
So much, candidate number 3. Again, through education, we number 4. Good evening, candidate number 4.
Good evening.
You feel so confident tonight.
A little bit.
A little bit lang daw have confidence na ibati pero gabi una. But somehow we can feel and we can see how radiant you are. Di ba? Sila po ang na-feel sa itong gagalingon. Hope po na nakita sa laing tao. Kung we feel beautiful, beautiful po na makita sa laing tao. Well, candidate number 4, before we go sa inyong final question for tonight, do you have someone, family, special someone to thank for?
I just want to say thank you to my mother who helping me at backstage to help to prepare me. Thank you.
Okay, di ba mga supportive din tayo akong mga sister to mga binigyan niya sa tayo. Oh, di ba? Family. A full force of family tonight para ni candidate number 4. And now let's have your question with Miss Annie Rose Durango. You may pick your question, please. And your question is you can see it. Number 8. Your question goes this way. If you could bring back the hands of time, what advice would you give to your younger self? Again, if you could bring back the hands of time, what advice would you give to your younger self?
Before I answer that question, maayong gabi, Puli-Pulihan! So ladies and gentlemen, if I could go back on my younger self, I would say that don't be afraid to take the risk and step out of your comfort zone. Embrace failure as a valuable learning experience and never underestimate your own potential.
costume, production, talent, gusto mo yung pinaka-favorite niyo mga part?
My talent.
Favorite niyo yung mga talent na naman.
Because dito ako nakabalo na aking talent na ipakita sa kadaghanan.
Wow, so mo pati pag-ibang mo, magkabalo ka masayaw?
Yes,
By the way, your dance steps are so good.
thank you.
Okay, now let's move on to your final question. You may repeat your final question, please, and tell me what number it is. Your number is number one. Number one. What makes you different from the other girls competing tonight? Again, what makes you different from the other girls competing tonight?
Good evening, everyone. I am honored to be here tonight, competing in this pageant.
Binong taon niya
It
pati
is my privilege to stand before you all and share a bit about myself. What makes me different from the other girls competing tonight is my unique combination of personal experiences and the perspective I've gained from them. I have faced and overcome significant challenges that taught me resilience, empathy, and the importance of being true to oneself. My passion in joining this competition drives me to make a positive impact in my community. Additionally, my ability to connect authentically with people and my unwavering dedication to my goal set me apart. I believe that these qualities not just only make me unique, but also empower me to inspire and lead others. And that will be all. Thank you.
Wow! Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Indeed, that is true. I agree with that point of view. And now let's welcome candidate number 6. Hello? Ikuyawan ka? Ikuyaw din na. Ikuyaw ko mahigit. By the way, are you studying right now? Asa ka mag-eskwela?
Sa colleges.
Asa ka mag-grade level na ka doon?
Grade 9.
Grade 9. Wow! Okay, well, before we go on with your final question, nabay family ka rin na nadali tonight?
Yes, ma'am.
O sige, i-greet mo ang family and supporters.
Hello to my family and my mama, ate, and
Pwede nabili ko lang ang book. Yan na. Marami ko siyang ginilitan. Nabila lang ka book. Okay. Well, Eka, you look so beautiful tonight. Guwapa ka. Ayaw ka. Asa ka naliwat sa iyong mama, sa iyong papa?
ate.
Ay, sa ate ko na naliwat. Mahala, sige, pagbigyan. Okay, now let's have your final question. Your number is?
Number 5.
Number 5. Question number 5. If you were anyone else besides yourself, who would you be and why? One more. If you were anyone else besides yourself, who would you be and why?
If I were to be anyone else, I would be my mother. There are many reasons why I adore her, but above all, her selflessness, love, and sacrifices have left a profound impact to me. From giving us the unconditional love by guiding us our needs, even though it means sacrificing herself. If I could step into her shoes, I would embody those values in such high regards. And I thank you.
Wow! Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Isa sa kamot sa mga mama tonight, big. Welcome, candidate number 7. 7. Hello, candidate number 7.
Hello, ma'am.
Grabe ko kayo sila mga mukha naman siya sila sa puon ko. Yan, narinig going forward gamay. How are you feeling tonight?
I feel nervous, but I'm so ready to answer your question.
Why? Okay ko. I'm nervous, but I am so ready to answer your question. Before we go with your final question, kinsa man ang naadili karon nga nagsuporta sa imuha. Read them.
I would like to say thank you from my parents, my friends to support me, to my talent, and my sponsor, Let's Ability.
Okay, now let's go to your final question. Kindly pick a rolled paper for your question, please. And you may see the column letter. Your number is number 7. And your question goes this way. If you